I'm here on Cipero Street and I'm at the original barbecue hut right behind me. They sell all halal, and I'm going to take you guys inside and show you what they have and take you for a tour inside of the kitchen so you can see their layout of how they cook food and how they prepare their barbecue meats and fries and all of these delicious goodies. So let me take you inside and this taste of the town and enjoy. So when you come here, what you do is stand at the yellow line and you wait to be called, or you go up to the counter when it's your turn. Hello, your name?
Kadir.
Kadir. So, one sec. This is Kadir, and he's going to give us a tour of the kitchen and show us how they barbecue, how they prepare their fries, how the behind the scenes look into the kitchen pretty much. So, and I'm also gonna be buying some delicious barbecue today. So let's go behind the scenes and see what they have in store. And what's your name? Aaron? That's the guy that's dealing with the lamb. What's your name? Charles. Okay, so what I want, I would like to get 2 lamb and 1 chicken.
All with fries?
All with fries.
Sure. 2 lamb. Butter.
So he's gonna take it there and then he'll put the chicken and the lamb in the box. Thank you very much. Okay, so when you get your food, you'll come over to the station where they have their condiments, and then you can dress them accordingly to what you want on them. They have garlic sauce, they have barbecue sauce, mustard, they have cilantro garlic sauce, and this is another barbecue sauce. So I'm gonna dress mine and then I'm gonna head home. And here we have the pepper sauce. I hope you enjoyed today's episode of Taste of the Town. If you did, I hope you like and subscribe to see more.